So in today's vlog, everybody, we're going to be growing crystals. Yay! Right, Ryan? Yay! So first you're going to need a mixing tray, magnifying glass. You're also going to need boiling hot water, aluminum foil, napkins or something just to wipe your hands off in case you get some of the stuff on it, the crystal mixing solution, popsicle sticks or something to stir up the mixing crystals, and the seeds, the growing seeds for the crystals. You're also going to need that. I got the boiling water already done, so that's ready to go.
I already got the aluminum foil done, right?
Yep, that's done. And I have tissue paper, not tissue paper, paper towels here.
Pick a color of growing solution you would like to use.
Alright, so I guess first put the growing solution in the containers. Is that step one?
No, just pick one.
I got one.
Okay.
So take the boiling water, pour them into the trays.
First, yes.
Okay, so that's first.
Now you're measuring them off. You gotta be 75 milliliters.
Yeah. Okay, that's done.
Snip the corner of the crystal growing solution.
So open the growing solution and pour it in.
Snip the corner.
So add all of this.
Mm-hmm.
Next one. Finally, orange. What am I doing next? Stirring?
Yeah. Stir it together thoroughly.
Stir this one now. And now what?
Allow solution to cool at room temperature.
20 minutes later.
So we take the growing seeds, very big seeds, and put them in the middle.
The very middle of each one.
This one. I got some blue in the other one. Oh, blue in my hands. And 2. And 3. Yay! Hopefully they grow. It's 2 to 3 days, isn't it?
Yeah.
2 to 3 days.
6.5 hours later.
It hasn't even been 24 hours yet, but I just wanted to show you the experiment so far. Not much has really happened.
Day 3.
Well, here it is, guys, the experiment so far. Like I said, it's been 3-4 days now. And as you see in the blue one, there's crystals kind of forming on top. The white and the orange, something's happening in the bottom. But in terms of, like, what it said would happen and this nice big crystal forming out of all 3 of these, it's not really happening. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Is this a complete bust, or should we hold on and just keep it going for another few days to see if something happens? It did say 2 to 3 days, but we're at day 3 now, and I don't know, not much is really happening. Like I said, tell us in the comments, should we keep doing it and just see what happens, go another few days, or call it a bust and move on? Have a great night. We'll see you again hopefully tomorrow. Grant 3 wishes.